Hi guys, welcome back to the Reading and Toy Extravaganza. I'm Mommy B.
And I'm Little B, and guess we're opening up today, guys!
Woo! Alright,
you guys.
so today we have 4 toy mini runs and 2 of the series 3 and 1 gold ball. Alright, let us sorry, ready to open up? On your mark, get set, get your open on. All right. So rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. All right.
I don't know which one I want to do. I think we should start back here and then work our way up.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to start off with this good old toy. All right.
I hope we get some of the ones that we're needing from our list. I'm gonna have to eventually show that list of what we got going.
Yep.
We'll be checking it out while we're doing it.
All right. Boom. Okay. First one, you guys. Oh, that's a JoJo doll.
All right, yeah, we got that one.
That fell down. We have a sparkle something.
Oh, we need that. We needed that. We needed that. Oh, she's cute. She's a cutie.
I don't know. They didn't want to stay up there.
All right. Maybe put them on the second row so they're laying back on that. Yeah, there you go. Or not. It's just like, yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna lay down. All right. What you got now? I'm gonna start opening up this one so I'll be ready for you.
Fingerling. Make sure
Which
you
one is that?
see that. That's the dinosaur or something.
Okay, we need the brown one.
Oh, what is the number on the toy, Mommy?
Oh, the dates. Start opening.
That is a shopping cart.
Is
And one more, you guys. One more. Oh, we have the checklist and the paints.
we had a ton of paints.
I haven't seen one.
Start our own art gallery. All right, let us see.
My turn.
The next one, and okay, that is the what you call them? The rainbow corns. Rainbow corns. I bet it'll sit up, yeah. And looking for a new one. They're ready to roll. Ready to roll on in. All right.
I'm gonna go ahead and start opening this.
The Super Ball. Super Ball. Put that one there. Probably gonna have to lean on it. And a Frisbee. You know what? That could be a glow in the dark. So I'm gonna have to test that one in just a few. When you open up your ball, I'll test that one. And we got a ton of these too. This is the Micro Soar.
I like your roar.
All right. That's the chair though.
My turn. Let's get this over just a wee bit. Boom. Oh, one flew off. We have a Frisbee. It's a Frisbee. This is the red one. Mommy got the blue one.
I think it's the blue one that glow in the dark.
I don't know. Oh, it's the flamingo.
I gotta go. I gotta go.
It's the new one, you guys.
Ooh.
Look at that, you guys.
Awesome, awesome.
Oh.
And this one is a glow in the dark. I just checked it.
The beauty.
That's a glow in the dark. I don't know if it'll glow if I turn the lights out. It might not. It's still bright in here, so it probably won't glow. Is it glowing? No.
Well,
but it is a glow in the dark.
it's a Dora doll.
Dora.
I believe that's a double.
Alrighty.
We have.
I'm gonna start opening this one.
We.
Yours.
Hey. Okay. We have painting.
Mm-hmm.
Palette thingy.
We don't have art studio.
We have a.
Oh, is that the white one? Is that the white one?
It is.
Yeah, we needed that one. Yes. All right.
Don't know his name.
Awesome. Is it Darrington or Darrington?
Darrington.
Yes. All right. He fell down. He was like, I'm coming on down. All right. That was a card I opened, and I hope this is the green ones. And it's not. I think it's the one we have already. The Buncho balloons. I can remember when we played with those. Had a good old time. Next, this is a big box. What is this? Oh, okay. The JoJo Barbie head, kind of like. Well, not Barbie. It's the JoJo head that you decorate and everything. What is that? Okay.
Oh,
Right up, yeah.
it's a titty jitty.
Did not want to stay in my hand. And the last one, let's start opening the purple, is crayons. Yep, they want us to do some art today.
What is the number on the gold, Mommy?
The golds, I think all of these are pretty much the same.
Or on silver, I mean?
Oh, the series 3. April 21st.
Oh, we're gonna start on that season out.
Season 3! So
Ooh.
excited! Season 3!
Okay. We have the diaper. We have some diapers.
I think we needed those. If I'm not mistaken, I think we needed those.
We have a Heath bar.
We have one of those for series 2, but since it's again on the checklist of season 3, I figured we ought to get it so season 3 has its own little box.
We have a chocolate syrup.
Chocolate.
we have oven.
Come on, we need a gold. Come on.
Here's some stove top. We have a thing that won't open. And we have some bags.
All right. Next ball. And then you can get ready with this gold ball. So you'll be ready. Oh, the Kool-Aid Jammers. I think we got that one in the last video. If you watched it, if you didn't, go back and check it out. Give us a like and a comment. Subscribe. Give us some love. All right. Let's see. Let's see. This Reese's. And goes here, I guess. And oh, and then we found it, and ours is kind of open. This thing is like a gold. Everybody has been looking for these. Let me see if I can get a good. Bring it in a little bit. Ew, good shot. All right, and oh, let me open.
Smell the gum.
Ooh, we needed those. Yes.
Really
All right. It's crispy cocoa rice. Crispy cocoa rice.
Alright, well, for our final ball, it is a gold. I'm gonna open up here.
I hope we find a rose gold.
I do. Whoa. It's fries.
Mm-hmm.
We know it. We see it. We got it. Let's go. Alright, here's a basket. Just a basket. Oops, a basket. And I love the new one. It is a baby bell. I love it.
It could be a rose gold. Turn it on back. Okay, that's just the regular one. Okay.
No. It's
I got a little excited.
Alright. Open. Why can't they open like a normal thing? It is a.
That's the root beer flavor. Look like. Yep. It is. All right.
Last one, you guys. We have the Laughing Cow cheese.
Mm-hmm. Is that a Roscoe? No, it's not.
Mommy loves laughing cow cheese.
Yes, the spicy one is awesome.
Well, guys,
All right.
make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give us a like. Make sure you watch our other videos. If you haven't.
We didn't do our favorite.
Oh, yeah.
This is my favorite. This is my favorite.
Okay, my favorite.
Because it's a little jewel. I'm a little sad that it's opened, but hey.
This is my favorite.
I gotta go. Just like we gotta go. All right. We gotta get out of here, and we thank you all for watching our videos, and come back